wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm your magician Noah, and we have our magic trick specialty shows. Are you excited? We'll be doing some magic tricks. Let me just get my magic wand right here, and who knows, hocus pocus, what will we do today? Well kids, we have a bunch of different magic tricks lined up, and hopefully you will have fun enjoying seeing them. And then maybe you can even guess. Or even better, I can teach you some. Does that sound like a good idea? Let me consult with the magic 8-ball here. Hold on. Let's see what the magic 8-ball has to say. Should I teach our kids how to do some magic tricks? Yes! It says yes! Okay, well kids, that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to have some fun. And we will need a couple of items, but we'll go through that in a second. For now, I'm going to do ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-bum, and gone I am. Boop. And here I am, back again. We're gonna do some magic today, right? Exactly. So let's have fun doing that. For our first magic trick, we will need our magic hat, of course. Nothing goes without our magic hat. Then we will need our magic wand, our bunny, and a deck of cards right here. Just a normal deck of cards. So we're going to mix them like this. And then we're going to pull one out. So I think we shuffled them well enough, and I'm going to pull one out. You see that card? I closed my eyes. Remember that? Do you know what it is? Okay? You got it? You sure? Okay. So I'm going to place that into my hat, right? I'm going to shuffle my cards. Okay? And then throw it in there. Oops! Some cards fell out. I'm going to floop-de-floop, throw it in there. And I'm going to shuffle them like this. And then, kids, now they're nicely shuffled. And then I need my little bunny here to help me out, okay? So, I'm going to put him on, and then hopefully he's going to help me find the card. Abracadabra. Oh, I think I need the wand too. Help, 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 help. And it is... He got it out. He pulled it out. Is this your number? Is this correct? Yes? Do we got that? Woohoo! Do you want to see that again? Okay, let's show you again. And then we pull out another card. This time, right here from the middle. There we go. Okay. So I'm closing my eyes. You're looking at it again? Yes? You got it? You know which one it is? I can put it in the hat. You sure? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to put it nicely in my hat here. And then make sure it's nicely in there. Good. And then mix these nicely up and throw them in there. So now we're going to mix them. Mix, mix, mix. Mix them up like this. Woo! There There we go. Okay. Turn it around like this. Da-da-da-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Mix them up. Mix them up. Hocus pocus. Now we will do it without the bunny. Let me see if I can find the card. Oh, it's somewhere down there. I can feel it. And there we go. Is this your number? Do we have it correct again? Yay! We got it again. So kids, now, do you want to see how we did this? Yes? It's quite an easy trick. It's just that this is a magic hat, right? So, all you have to do, kids, is just mix it nice and neat. Just like this. Okay? And then you simply spread them out and pull a card. Just from right here. Just from right there. Okay? You see? I'm not looking. I have my eyes closed, right? So, and now here is where the magic begins. You see this? I place this in my hidden secret compartment. And then it just vanishes, right? And then I close it off. And you see? There's no card in there. But I placed it in there. And where is it? It's right there in that compartment. You see? There it is. And then what I do is close it off. Throw in the cards. Pretend I'm doing hocus pocus, hocus pocus, hocus pocus. And while I'm doing this, I flip the side of my secret compartment open. And there's your card. There it is. Ta-da! We're going to need 2 rings and a string and a magic wand, because I'm gonna do a couple of ring magic tricks. And for that one, let me just put this to the side right now. I'm going to change this red ring into a yellow one. Magic hands. Change this into a yellow ring. Ta-da! There's my yellow ring. You want it to be back to red? Okay, I'll change it back to red. So, magic hands, turn the yellow ring back to red. Ha-ha! Very good. You want to see that again? Okay. So, magic hands, turn that red ring back to yellow. Ta-da! It's quite easy, kids. I know this isn't the funnest one, but it is when you practice, because all it is a yellow ring inside of a red ring. And then you just flip it around, lift it up like this, and there you have a red ring and a yellow ring. So now, kids, let me show you how I'm going to make this ring into 2. So I will put this to the side, right? Because I don't need this anymore. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn this. So, magic hands, turn this red ring into 2 rings. There we go. And I'm going to squeeze them back into 1 ring. 1 ring. Magic, I will turn you into 2. Hocus pocus, 1, 2. 2 rings. I just made 1 ring into 2. So, kids, hopefully you enjoyed our magic tricks, and I hope that you learned some as well, and you can try them out at home as often as you want. You have to understand that being a magician is hard work, and if you want to practice, you will be good at it. Okay? So with that being said, let me do my last and final trick. Hocus pocus, 1, 2, 3. Noah's gone, and so are you.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.